practice makes perfect. That's what they say. I heard a story about it. There was in India we tell a lot of stories to illustrate a certain point. And there's an Indian story that there was a famous Maharaja, a prince of a state, and he was a great marksman, and with his bow and arrow, because there were no guns at that time, and America had not been discovered at that time, so he was using bows and arrows. So he was such a marksman that not only could he shoot an arrow directly, but he could, if he had to shoot this way, he could send the arrow up and bring it down and reach the target. Great marksman. One day after a hunt, he was coming back and he saw his wife, the queen, standing on the balcony of the palace. And Indian women, especially royalty, they wear big ornaments. And she was wearing a big ornament on her head. Some gold, and the diamonds or something were shining. And he could see them. He said, I am going to give a surprise to my wife today. And he shot his arrow in such a way that the arrow went up and hit right that, bringing it down. And the wife didn't know. So then he walks up and says, oh my dear, you had an ornament in your head, where is it? And she touches, I know, might have dropped somewhere. He says, no, look there, it's with my arrow. And she said, oh, not big deal, with practice one can do anything. He got mad. He had just demonstrated something so extraordinary. He said, oh, doesn't matter, with practice one can do anything. And now these princes and kings could get very angry. So he got so angry. He said, this woman doesn't deserve to be a queen. She never appreciated my great skill. And throw her out into the forest. So they threw the queen out into the forest. And there, with those single clothes, with nothing else on her, she was sitting with the animals there coming. Animals would wonder which new animal has come here in the forest. And there was an elephant there, a female elephant. They gave birth to a little baby elephant. The little baby elephant was born. And this woman took the baby elephant and bathed it in a stream that was there. And bathed it and then played with the baby elephant like this. And the mother elephant was seeing and was very pleased. Then after playing with the baby elephant, would place the baby elephant at the feet of the mother, who would look very appreciatively. This went on. Every day this woman did that. Didn't realize that the baby elephant was becoming bigger and bigger. But still, since she did every day, then you don't notice how big it has become. Ultimately, it became a big elephant and she was still playing with the elephant. Once a tour company was going on an excursion in the forest and they saw a woman carrying a big elephant like this. This woman is a prize woman for us. She can join our circus. We'll make a lot of money. They came to the woman, we'll take you into town and you can perform this jugglery. She says, no jugglery, this is my pet. This is my pet animal. I saw it from birth onwards. But how can you carry it? She says, I've been carrying it every day. When you carry every day, you don't feel it. So I just got some practice in this. So they took her to the town and she began to give those shows. The king heard there's a woman who can carry elephants. And he said, let's have a show. So he called the woman in the palace for a show. And the woman came and carried the elephant. And he said, this is amazing. And he came up and said, I want to give you a reward because you can carry an elephant. She says, no, king, with practice you can do anything. He said, this must be my queen. And he brought her back into the palace. Of course, the story only illustrates with practice you can do anything. Same thing applies to meditation. Same thing applies to any art or skill. So with practice, this what you're mentioning is a very common thing, that we don't stick to the center and we move around, but with practice we are able to hold ourselves in the center.